Rise and shine, my blossoming beauties. It is I, Rosemary Bush, and welcome to the second part in my LGBT flags makeup series. So if you want to know how to get this gay flag makeup look, then just keep on watching. So yes, we are doing my flag, the gay flag, so let's get right this in. So I'm going to just take my primer, just going to rub it on some spots of my face, and then just rub it all in together. Next, I'm going to take my foundation. I'm just putting on my beauty blender right now. Just going to dot it on several spots of my face and neck. And then I'm just going to dab on it to blend it all together. Next, I'm going to take my concealer, and I'm going to draw, or basically just underline all my bags. Then I'm also going to apply it on my forehead, with several strokes just like that. Apply some on my eyelids. Also some dots on my nose, as well as just some random spots on my face to cover up freckles and all that. Then I'll just get my beauty blender, and then blend them all in and pattern them to, blend them in. Now I'm going to take my pressed powder foundation thing, taking my big fluffy brush. I'm going to do swirling motions all over my face and use that as my setting powder. Now I'm going to go into my Wahala palette, and then taking that blue shade, and with that little brush there, I'm going to pack that into the crease, just sort of blend it out, so that way it's kind of like that. So I think that was my shimmery blue, I'm pretty sure. Next I'm going to take my blending brush, and just practically just swirl that all over the eyeshadow, so that way it kind of gives it more of a fade. Next, I'm going to take that lighter blue shade and apply that to the outer sections of my eyelid, as well as doing it sort of like an angled swipe all the way to the middle part of the outer section of my eye. Now I'm going to go into that aqua color. I actually don't know the difference between aqua, turquoise, and teal. I think teal is like the dark greenish blue, I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm taking that shade and just applying it to the middle part of the outer crease. So that way, blending it with the blue. And then I just saw there I took my blending brush as well. Then I'm going to take that shimmery white color and basically just pack that onto the center of my eyelids. Next, I'm going to go into that shimmery teal, turquoise-ish slash aqua color, and apply that to the inner corner of my eye with a small brush, as well as blending it with all the other colors. Then I'm going to go into that lighter color, and basically fill the rest of my eye in with that shade. Then I'm going to take that shade and just basically fill that in and blend it with the other color. Actually, I think it was a dark green color. I wasn't looking. I was on my phone, honestly, for that little bit. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure it was a dark green color. Yeah, just blended that in. Now I'm going to take my eyeliner, and I'm going to use my pencil to underline my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take my eyeliner pen, and use that. I'm going to use it to, begin drawing the wing, as well as, and also, putting it down to my lids. And I'm gonna be honest, I really messed up my eyeliner. I don't know why, lately I feel like I'm doing bad with my eyeliner. All of a sudden it's not turning out as well as it normally does. At the time of recording this audio, I've already, filmed 2 other makeup tutorials for this series. And lately I feel like my eyeliner is just, going downhill. So, I sincerely apologize for that. Yep, there I go again, just trying to fix it up, but ultimately failing. So then I'm just gonna take that, that sparkly, glittery shade in an attempt to try and fix up my eyeliner. Just gonna apply that all over the wings. Now, you don't have to do that step, I'm only just doing that because I fucked up my wings. And it was just an attempt to fix it. Now I'm going to start doing my brows. So, taking that dark green shimmery shade in an angled brush, I'm going to fill in my brows with that shade. And yes, I know I forgot to do my mascara. I'll end up doing it later during the video. But in the meantime, let's just watch past me fail to realize it, and then just see how long it takes for him to realize that I forgot my, mascara. Oh, nope, still haven't noticed. Anyway, now I'm going to be applying my contour. So, taking that brush, I'm going to doing backward and forward motions, all the way from the angle from the top of my ear, all the way down to my iris. Oh, yep, finally realized it. So now I'm going to take my mascara, and I'm going to roll the wand up from the upper lash line, and then for the lower lash line, just press them down on top of them, and then just roll it out. Now for my blush, I'm going to go into that little shade there, and I'm just going to take that big fluffy brush and just pat it on. Now I'm going to take my highlight, I don't know why I showed that twice, and I'm going to do swirling motions on the center of my nose, upward and downward strokes at the bridge of my nose, swirling motions on the apple of my cheeks, as well as doing some apple and cheek swirling motion on the center of my chin, as well as doing some strokes on my forehead. For my lipstick, I'm going to take that green shade, and I'm going to fill in my top lip with that green. Then I'm going to take that dark blue color, and fill in my bottom lip with that color. Now I'm going to take my iridescent purpley blue lip gloss, and I'm going to use that only on the bottom lip, because it's blue, and it looks better with blue gloss. But anyway, I'll just get my setting spray now, and then the look will be complete. And you're done. Your gay flag inspired look is now complete. So this concludes the second part in my LGBTQ flags makeup series. I'll see you when I do the next flag.